Are you tired of being turned down for loans, mortgages, or even business opportunities due to a poor credit history? If so, you're not alone. But don't fret. Credit healing is possible. In this video, we will explore strategies for credit history repair that can help you get back on track and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. Repairing your credit history is essential for improving your credit score and regaining the trust of lenders. We will discuss practical steps you can take to address negative items on your credit report, such as late payments, collections, or bankruptcies. Additionally, we will provide insights on how to establish good credit habits, manage debt responsibly, and communicate effectively with creditors and credit bureaus. Whether you're just starting your credit repair journey or have been struggling for years, this video will provide valuable guidance to help you rebuild your credit and gain the financial stability you desire. Don't let a low credit score hold you back any longer. It's time to take control and embark on the path to credit healing. So, let's dive in and discover the strategies that will unlock a brighter financial future for you. Understanding credit history and its impact. Your credit history is a record of your borrowing and repayment activities. It includes information about your credit accounts, payment history, and any negative incidents, such as late payments, defaults, or bankruptcies. Creditors and lenders use this information to assess your creditworthiness and determine if you're a reliable borrower. A positive credit history can open doors to favorable interest rates, higher credit limits, and better financial opportunities. On the other hand, a negative credit history can make it difficult to obtain credit, secure loans, or even rent an apartment. It's crucial to understand the impact of your credit history and take steps to repair it. Common factors that affect credit history. Several factors can contribute to a poor credit history. Understanding these factors can help you identify areas that need improvement and develop a targeted credit repair strategy. Payment history. Your payment history has the most significant impact on your credit score. Late payments, missed payments, and defaults can significantly lower your credit score. To repair your credit history, it's important to address any past due accounts and make consistent, on-time payments moving forward. Credit utilization. Credit utilization refers to the percentage of your available credit that you're using. Maxing out your credit cards or carrying high balances can negatively impact your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% and pay down any outstanding balances to improve your credit history. Length of credit history. The length of your credit history also plays a role in your credit score. Lenders prefer borrowers with a longer credit history as it provides a more complete picture of their borrowing habits. If you're just starting to build credit, be patient and focus on establishing positive credit habits. Credit mix. Having a diverse mix of credit accounts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your credit history. It demonstrates your ability to handle different types of credit responsibly. If you only have one type of credit account, consider diversifying your credit mix over time. Public records. Negative public records, such as bankruptcies or tax liens, can stay on your credit report for several years and significantly impact your credit history. While these records can be challenging to remove, taking steps to address them and demonstrating responsible financial behavior moving forward can help repair your credit. Importance of credit history repair. Repairing your credit history is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it improves your credit score, making it easier to qualify for loans, mortgages, and credit cards. A higher credit score can also lead to better interest rates and terms, potentially saving you thousands of dollars in interest over time. Additionally, a positive credit history instills confidence in lenders and creditors. It shows that you are responsible and trustworthy, increasing your chances of being approved for credit and securing better terms. Furthermore, repairing your credit history can help you gain financial stability, reduce stress, and open up opportunities for future financial growth. Steps to improve credit history. Improving your credit history requires a proactive approach and consistent effort. While the process may take time, the benefits are well worth it. Here are some steps you can take to start repairing your credit history. Review your credit reports. Begin by obtaining copies of your credit reports from all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Carefully review each report for any errors, inaccuracies, or fraudulent activities. Dispute any discrepancies immediately to ensure your credit history is accurate. Address negative items. If you have negative items on your credit report, such as late payments, collections, or bankruptcies, it's essential to address them. Start by contacting your creditors or debt collectors to negotiate a payment plan or settlement. Consider working with a credit counseling agency for professional guidance and support. Make timely payments. Consistently making on-time payments is crucial for improving your credit history. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. If you're struggling to make payments, contact your creditors to discuss hardship programs or alternative payment arrangements. Pay down debt. High levels of debt can negatively impact your credit history. Develop a debt repayment plan and focus on paying down balances on credit cards and loans. Consider using the snowball or avalanche method to tackle debt systematically. Making progress in reducing your debt can significantly improve your credit history over time. Limit new credit applications. Each time you apply for new credit, it results in a hard inquiry on your credit report. Multiple inquiries can lower your credit score. Only apply for credit when necessary and be selective about the types of credit you pursue. Strategies for credit history repair. In addition to the steps outlined above, there are several strategies you can implement to accelerate the credit history repair process. How to dispute errors on your credit report. Mistakes or inaccuracies on your credit report can negatively impact your credit history. It's essential to monitor your credit reports regularly and dispute any errors you find. Follow these steps to dispute errors on your credit report. Gather documentation. Collect any supporting documentation, such as payment receipts or correspondence, that can prove the error on your credit report. Draft a dispute letter. Write a formal dispute letter to the credit bureaus reporting the error. Clearly explain the discrepancy and provide evidence to support your claim. Include copies of any relevant documents but keep the originals for your records. Send the dispute letter. Mail the dispute letter to the credit bureaus via certified mail with a return receipt requested. This ensures proof of delivery. Follow up. Keep track of the dispute process and follow up with the credit bureaus if necessary. They are required to investigate your dispute within 30 days and provide a response. Building positive credit habits. Establishing and maintaining positive credit habits is crucial for long-term credit history repair. Here are some habits that can help you improve and maintain a positive credit history. Pay on time. Make it a priority to pay your bills and credit obligations on time. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit history. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. Monitor your credit. Regularly monitor your credit reports and scores to stay informed about changes or potential issues. You can access free credit reports annually from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Consider subscribing to a credit monitoring service for real-time updates and alerts. Keep credit utilization low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit to keep your credit utilization ratio low. Pay down outstanding balances and avoid maxing out your credit cards. Diversify your credit mix. Having a mix of credit accounts, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages, can demonstrate responsible credit usage. However, be cautious about opening too many new accounts at once, as it can negatively impact your credit score. Avoid closing credit accounts. Closing credit accounts can reduce your available credit and potentially increase your credit utilization ratio. Instead, consider keeping old accounts open, even if you no longer actively use them. Utilizing credit repair services. If you feel overwhelmed or unsure about navigating the credit repair process on your own, you may consider working with a reputable credit repair service. These services specialize in assisting individuals with credit history repair and can provide guidance and support throughout the process. However, it's essential to research and choose a trustworthy and legitimate company to avoid scams or unethical practices. When selecting a credit repair service, look for the following: positive reviews and reputation. Check online reviews and testimonials from previous customers to gauge the company's reputation and success rate. Transparency and compliance. Ensure the company operates transparently and adheres to all relevant laws and regulations, such as the Credit Repair Organizations Act, CROA. Clear pricing and services. Understand the company's pricing structure and the specific services they provide. Avoid companies that promise overnight credit repair or guaranteed results. Educational resources. Look for a credit repair service that offers educational resources and tools to help you understand and improve your credit history independently. Monitoring and maintaining good credit history. Repairing your credit history is an ongoing process that requires monitoring and maintenance. Here are some strategies to help you maintain a positive credit history. Regularly check your credit reports. Review your credit reports at least once a year to ensure accuracy and identify any potential issues. You can access free credit reports annually from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. Monitor your credit score. Keep an eye on your credit score to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. Many credit card companies and financial institutions offer free credit score monitoring services to their customers. Set up credit alerts. Sign up for credit alerts or notifications to receive updates about changes to your credit report. This can help you detect any fraudulent activity or errors promptly. Stay informed about credit laws and regulations. Familiarize yourself with credit laws, such as the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, to understand your rights and protections as a consumer. Stay updated on any changes or developments in credit regulations. Conclusion: taking control of your credit history. Repairing your credit history is not an overnight process, but it is entirely possible with dedication and perseverance. By understanding the factors that affect your credit history, implementing the strategies outlined in this video, and maintaining positive credit habits, you can successfully repair your credit and unlock a brighter financial future. Remember, credit healing is a journey, and progress may be gradual. Be patient, stay committed to your goals, and seek professional guidance if needed. With time and effort, you can overcome a poor credit history, regain the trust of lenders, and achieve the financial freedom you deserve. So, take control of your credit history today and pave the way for a better tomorrow.